Daniel Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the hypoallergenic and biodegradable properties of a natural latex mattress. We all know that mattresses are an immense polluter. They have a very limited lifespan. Some people switch mattresses every 5 to 10 years, and in the case of a natural latex mattress, it will last a lot longer. For the environment's sake, if you're looking to lessen your footprint on the environment, investing in a natural latex mattress will be the number one thing you can do. For such a bulky item, there's not much you can do with a throwaway mattress like a polyurethane mattress after its lifespan is complete. A natural latex mattress will last 2 to 3 times longer. So from an environmental standpoint, this is one of the best things you can do. Additionally, a natural latex mattress is hypoallergenic and biodegradable, so that is a benefit for your health and the planet. If you're sensitive to irritants like dust mites, and common allergens that are found in households, then your best bet is switching to a natural latex mattress. Natural latex protects itself naturally from things like mold, mildew, dust mites, etc. It's a great material, and as far as supporting your body, it's in a class of its own when comparing to polyurethane. Natural latex is a hypoallergenic material containing no allergens or irritants that can trigger allergic reactions. At the same time, the wool and cotton is very soft and safe for sensitive skin. Obviously, you won't be sleeping directly on the cotton and wool. You'll see the cotton is encasing the wool batting in this quilted layer. So a lot of people worry that you'll be sleeping on a prickly wool mattress. That's not the case. The wool provides a fire barrier as well as some cushioning. And together with the cotton, it provides an excellent first layer to keep you super comfortable, as well as having moisture wicking and temperature regulating properties. Finally, the natural latex, wool, and cotton are all biodegradable materials. So way out in the future, when the mattress reaches the end of its lifespan, and because all great things do come to an end, it will be biodegradable. The cotton, the wool, and the latex will be able to biodegrade into the environment. So this in the long term reduces waste and pollution. So if you want to compare the best natural latex mattresses on the market today, there's only one place to go to. That's naturalmattressfinder.com. Right there on the homepage, you'll have access to a comparison table where you can compare the best third-party certified natural latex mattresses and compare them by thickness and mattress type, which is a hybrid like this one. It will have coils and a natural latex layer. Some of them are zippered like this one, which allows some customization. And the other main type is an all foam mattress, which will have several layers of latex stacked on top of each other. My name is Daniel Boudreau from naturalmattressfinder.com. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, a wonderful sleep tonight, and I will see you on the next video.